Someone asked me in the comment section yesterday how I managed to do my video that is very clear and my face is kind of smooth. Now I'm going to be teaching you how I shoot my video and what application software I usually use in editing my video. See, I always do my thing unique from others. Okay, this video I'm recording with, I use a smartphone, an iPhone, to record this video. Some people use camera, but it will not give out this kind of quality because most of my videos are 4K. And as you all know, 4K is higher than HD. HD is higher than SD. SD is the lowest, and if you upload SD on YouTube, it will very blur. But 4K is the highest. 4K, if you upload it, it will give you the highest resolution. I'll be how they should put it. Okay, so but I'm going to be teaching you how to edit. Even if you have a phone that is not that too clear, I'm going to be teaching you how to use CapCut to edit it to make it to 4K. I was planning to do this tutorial video about this 4K editing, but I'll just do it together with this video. So if you are ready, let's go there. I started by recording myself and moving the video towards CapCut. You go to your CapCut, add project, then we'll select the video we are using. Okay, let's click on this one. Okay, so now we are using this video. Let's say for instance, this is a video I shoot with my camera. Then you go to adjust. You click on adjust. You click on sharp. First thing is sharp. You draw it. You let it to reach the extreme end. So we've already increased sharp. Then you go to clarity. This clarity is free, but sometimes I used to put it pro, but it appears on my own as free. So you use it. You just leave it at 85. Then you go to this you go to brightness. You increase the brightness, something like let's leave it as 4. Then you go to contrast. Let's leave this one as 6. Okay, now we've done this. Okay, so now you click on OK. Then can you see this? So this is how it works. Then you go back. You see, click on this video quality. Yeah, this video quality, as you can see, all these are pro. For instance, you've already subscribed, like you are using pro, you understand? So this is what you're going to do. I say image quality, reduce noise. Don't reduce noise. You go to image quality. You'll do this one to UHD. You understand? It's because of my subscription is finished, but you leave it at this side. Then you see the effect of this video quality on the video. Then this only what you do in this side. Then you go back. Then once you are back, then you go on this other side. What is it called? Sorry. Then look at video quality HD. Okay, this we've already entered. Sorry. I say motion blur. Reduce noise. In my video, see, I always do my thing unique from others. It. We've already reduced the noise of the image video, okay, from beginning to the. So look at it, we've already reduced the noise. So this is how it will appear on your video. So this is how to do this kind of editing using CapCut. You've already recorded your video because I'm using phone. So if you record your video like this and post it, you will definitely get 4K version of the video. But posting it that way, the way you just the raw file, the way you just created it, it will only give you HD. But posting it this way, it will give you 4K. 4K is the higher version of HD. So know the differences. So if you watch this video reach this extent, please like and share.